What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix slow mobile data issue in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So to fix this issue, first of all swipe down and here you will see a flight icon. So click on this icon to turn on flight mode and then wait for 10 to 15 seconds and then turn it back off. So doing this will refresh the network signals, and refreshing network signals will fix slow mobile data issue. But after this, if you are still facing the issue, then check the network signals. So if you are getting poor network signals, then move to an area where you can get good signals. But if you are getting good signals and you are still facing the issue, then take out the SIM from your phone and clean your SIM gently and then insert it back into your phone. So doing this will help you to fix the slow mobile data issue. But after all these solutions, if you are still facing the issue of slow mobile data, then the last solution is try restarting your phone. So to restart, swipe down and click on this power icon and then click on restart. Now again click on this restart icon to restart your phone, and restarting your phone will fix slow mobile data issue. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.